Good morning. We had a nice zero here at fuel station Kvikkjokk, and we're ready to go now. Tina is mostly healed up. I feel much better. I was tired and achy yesterday, or 2 days ago. I can still feel a little bit, but we're doing better. Yesterday it was supposed to rain a ton, but it actually didn't rain at all. And then today it's kind of raining a little, but it's supposed to stop within the next hour or so. But we're gonna get going, and we actually have a boat to meet up tomorrow morning at 9. So we have a certain amount of miles we need to do today and tomorrow so we can get to the boat tomorrow morning. So we just select. The interesting thing about this area here is the Kungsleden goes right by the fuel station. And I'll show you here. That's where we stayed. We were in the room to the left. And there's a sign here that says Kungsleden right here. And what's nice is there's like a little watering station, so you can fill up your water bottles, and the trail continues under that structure and up the hill. These here on the left are the outside toilets. That's the way we came. And what's funny is you walk under this structure where it's actually dry. There's another one of those like earth domes, those hobbit homes. It's got a window and like a ladder to the top. Interesting stuff. Wonder what that exactly is for. Maybe it's an Airbnb. Rent it out. This big flagpole, and we are off. Our shoes are mostly dry, but in about 5 minutes they're going to be soaking wet because of all the plants that are wet right now. Another day, and we have roughly 6 more nights in the tent. If all goes well, that's it then. Then we'll be in Abisko. I believe the breakfast at the huts have been about 119 krona, which is about $12 for like a buffet breakfast. It's not what you get from like American breakfast, what you would think, but you get plenty of what you need, and you can eat as much as you want, as much coffee as you want. And I've been going for 3 hours now and still not hungry at all. Usually after you eat a bar for breakfast or something, after just a couple hours I'd be hungry, but I'm still chugging along, not hungry at all. Lots of energy. It's really important to get the energy early, and especially for $12. That's awesome. I could even balance on this board sometimes. Okay, let's rock hop. Leaves are all changing color. Here comes another reindeer fence. We found an opening on the right. It looks like some people just go there and walk through, but these boards are much longer, so we're just gonna climb over. That's what Tina did. I'll do it as well. Oh no. Oops. I tried to film myself climbing over the fence, but the first thing I did was knock over the GoPro right into the mud, so I had to spend some time wiping mud off it. Still some on there. That's how it goes. Ah, there's another fence not too far from the other one, but this one's got an easy gate system going. It's one thing you learn from the other trails in the US is how to open gates and close them. Nice. Wonder why there was such a small gap of fences there. There's a herd of reindeer just in the trees. One's got a blue collar, we saw one with the orange collar. There's a couple of tiny babies. Oh, there's orange collar. A whole bunch of them. There's still more orange collar. None have bells on them. We're now walking through Sarek National Park. We're heading up a little bit of climb right now, but supposedly Tina's guidebook says that this is the area that you may see a bear. People have always said that bears are quite rare on this trail, but we may see it, but they tend to stay well away from people and the trail, so chances are slim. And if I can go through the Smokies for like 11 days and never see a bear, chances are pretty slim here, but we'll keep an eye out and we'll keep quiet. Finally made it above the tree line and wide open views. And look behind us here as I pan towards the right. It's low clouds today. It's been such a warm climb. It's been hot and humid, and the trees humid because all the clouds are so low. Look at all the mountains. A lot of the mountains have snow in them. You just can't see them as well, especially over on the right. A whole bunch of them. And we've been seeing reindeer scat again, so they should be running around up here. We're still in National Park. Still haven't seen any bears. We're back above tree line. So many blueberry bushes. They're kind of mixed in with these cranberries, but look at these guys. Yummy. Here's one of the huts that we just walk across, and it's not much of a hut. Emergency shelter again. But look at all the fireweed. They're often red, but a lot of the leaves are actually turning red. A lot of the leaves in all the plants are turning orange, yellow. It's fall starting. Won't be long before it gets really cold. Yep, we're done with the open area. We're heading down. We were hoping to camp out a little further back if there was water. Generally in Kungsleden, there's water all over, but maybe for the last 4 miles there hasn't been anything. Just that little rodent run across the trail, but there hasn't been anything. So we're walking. We're gonna go down maybe to a river. Gaia has a little camp spot marker on it, so there might be a camp spot there. But we're going to try that because we are not finding any water. It's actually a nice camp spot right to the side of us. We'll just walk by, but there's no water. There's been a lot of good campsites. But we gotta find water. We heard water and we turned that way, and there is a couple of camp spots. There's one over there, and there's a horrible fire ring with horrible fire there. It looks like an old ant mound right there. And we are over here. This one was a little flatter. We're gonna call it a day. We're gonna head in, eat dinner, and go to sleep because it's like almost 6 now. We are late today. Sadly, when we started, we didn't want to push too hard. We wanted to do like 15 because we're still kind of recovering from our little knees and stuff, our little aches. And but we wound up going, I don't know, maybe 19 miles. How much there? It's a bit. It's quite a bit. But now it's time to filter water and eat. Just go to sleep early. And then we have about 2.5 miles probably to the next boat that leaves at 9:30. So we just have to be there by 9. So thanks for watching. Weird, the GoPro has 49% battery and it just died. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna have this now, tonfisk tuna packets and Venture 1 meal, and then call it a night. Thanks.